After striking Taiwan with fierce winds and rain, Typhoon Kongrey has moved north toward the coastal provinces of Hainan, Fujian, and Zhejiang in China. As the storm approached, these coastal cities began bracing for intense winds and dangerous waves. According to reports from local media, waves as high as 5 to 6 meters have been observed along coastal areas. To ensure public safety, all fishing vessels have returned to harbor, and all coastal tourist sites have temporarily closed to prevent any potential injuries due to high waves and gusty winds.
有人在里面吗？有啊，里面有人是吧？有啊。
他这里电没关吗？有点麻呀。
哦，小事哎。我操，等一下。
In preparation, Zhejiang province has issued a typhoon warning and suspended parts of its rail services to protect passengers and staff. Fujian province also raised its emergency response level, strengthening local preparedness against potential storm surges and heavy rainfall. The city of Fujian in Fujian has already experienced strong winds, with gusts forceful enough to dislodge large solar panels, presenting a challenge to local infrastructure and power supply. China's Meteorological Administration has issued heavy rain alerts across southeastern and eastern provinces, including Fujian, Zhejiang, and Jiangsu. In Zhejiang's Linhai city, particularly in Dadayan Street, severe flooding has already submerged parts of the city, trapping several electric vehicles in the water and blocking key roads, complicating travel and emergency response effort. In Hainan province, Zhejiang City has been hit hard by the combination of typhoon-force winds and torrential rains. The city's drainage systems are overwhelmed, causing severe flooding that has inundated vast areas of villages and farmlands, posing significant threats to agricultural livelihoods and daily life. To manage the impact of heavy rains from Typhoon Kongrey, the Zhejiang Reservoir in Rian, Wenzhou, began emergency pre-release operations early on Friday. This move aims to create more storage capacity and prevent the reservoir from overflowing due to the extra volume of water released upstream from the Shaanxi Reservoir. This proactive measure not only safeguards the residents around Wenzhou, but also provides critical buffer time for downstream areas to brace against potential flooding. As Typhoon Kongrey approaches China's coastline, it is expected to veer northeast toward Japan. The Japan Meteorological Agency has already issued warnings to residents of Okinawa Island, urging them to be vigilant against towering waves and monitor the changing weather closely.
今年麻烦了，草莓所有全部叶光了，全部大洪水。真的麻烦了，今年。
Authorities have cautioned that severe weather conditions could trigger landslides, river flooding, and inundate low-lying areas, with residents advised to take early precautions, particularly in mountainous and river-adjacent areas where landslides pose a high risk. Meanwhile, local law enforcement agencies across affected provinces are fully implementing safety measures as directed by the provincial public security authorities. Officers are actively engaged in inspecting areas prone to disaster, relocating residents to safety, and managing road traffic to prevent accidents. Police are working closely with communities to assist in evacuation efforts, ensure clear and safe transportation routes, and conduct thorough patrols in landslide-prone, low-lying, and heavily flooded areas. The commitment of these authorities underscores their dedication to protecting lives and minimizing the typhoon's impact on the community.